So goodbye, Newcastle. It's been real. It's been real.
Your pictures on my phone. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We'll come for your wedding. And you come for her wedding, our wedding.
Going to Canada. Canada.
Master, and I'm not to celebrate.
Hi. I'm not celebrating.
Hi. I'm not celebrating. I'm not celebrating.
Nice BTS is actually.
Say. Hi, I'm not the celebrant. Hello, I'm not the celebrant.
Hi, I'm not the celebrant.
Hi, I'm not the celebrant.
Hi guys, I do not know where this video comes in, but today is the 25th. Today is the 25th of October, and it is my last week in Newcastle upon Tyne, in England, in the Great Britain, and in the UK. I'm going to do my nails for the last time at my favorites, and I'm going to go to Fenwick. I think I will go to TK Maxx. I'll visit all of my favorite stores today, I hope. And then I also have a hospital appointment, and I'm also going to Wales today. It's a packed day, and I'm trying to see one of my friends as well and take a quick selfie before I leave. So this is a getting ready to leave the UK video. I don't know how I'll call it, but it is what it is. I had met with some of my friends. We had a little get together, or whatever it's called, and so I'll fix that somewhere around here. I don't know. I'm looking at myself, guys. Look at my hair. My hair has grown. Okay, so subscribe if you haven't. Like, share this video, drop your comments in the comment section on there. Just scroll down, you'll see where to comment, and I would respond to you. I don't know how I feel at this minute. So much is going on, but see you around. Appointment. Oh my god. Hi, good morning. Hello. That's Betty. Yeah. This is what it looks like right about now. It's a complete mess. It's a mess. Oh, Krika.
One bill.
One bill. 50k pounds. And this is Asta.
Hello. We're going to the church, and I'm wearing what she gave me.
Oh, look at this. Hey. Even though she lies that I will see her. See her. See you soon. Say hi now. Our chief chef that gives everybody food but does not eat. That's her. Even if the sun comes down. We're going to hit the streets running for the last time. For the last time. For the last time. Look at this one.
Every last minute.
I know. For some points in my staying in Newcastle, I found this place. So I'm coming here to have my last meal with them before we leave. It's raining, guys. It's raining. Coming from you. My last night in Newcastle. Bye Newcastle. Bye Newcastle. Bye Newcastle. That's all. So we decided to come to Quayside to have. I just thought to do Quayside. It's not interesting. We decided to come to Quayside to have our last work because Newcastle is famed for its bridges, and I came here when I first arrived. I don't know how I feel right now. I've actually not been in my feelings since I started packing. But today, and I'm glad I came out today, to be honest. We had just eaten and we were so full, but we decided to still come out, and I'm glad that we did, because this bridge, this place, the Quayside is always so beautiful at night, and I'm glad that this is the last view I have of Newcastle before I leave you guys. Oh my god. And there's a restaurant that's just behind the camera now, or in front of the camera. I came here with Z. I think it was the first week I arrived, the first or the second week I arrived here. We came here. It's called Head of Steam, and I don't know if this is the end of the video. I don't know if I'm going to do another video of me going to the airport tomorrow, but if this is the end of this video, thank you for watching. Thank you for following me on my journey in Newcastle.
We should go get hot chocolate. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
We're gonna go get hot chocolate.
Yeah.
If there's any place that's open.
I will. Oh, sorry. Thank you for following me on my journey in this foreign land. I'll still post videos because I have a backlog of videos. I'll still post them after I've posted this, but get the gist. This is supposed to be the goodbye video. So, goodbye, Newcastle. It's been real. It's been real.
You're making me emotional. So here.
Joanna's leaving as well.
End of an era.
Yes, beginning of a new one. Greater things, greater things.
Let's go.
What's the question?
I knew she was crying. Such a crybaby. Cry babies. Jumana, pictures. Your pictures on my phone. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We'll come for your wedding. And you come for her wedding, our wedding. Turn now. Everybody say cheese. Happy birthday. Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it? You're getting married. You're single. You're having a baby. You're having twins. You're single to bring up. Hi. I'm not the couple. Yeah, I'm not the couple.
I am not the couple, I'm single.
I'm not a couple.
Say you're not the couple.
No, no,